What if the greatest enemy of humanity is no longer supernatural, but artificial? For thousands of years, humans feared evil forces, demons, and the ultimate symbol of darkness, Satan. But today, a new powerful force is rising. Artificial intelligence. AI can think. AI can learn. AI can influence. AI can even manipulate reality. So the shocking question is: can technology replace evil? Or worse, can AI become the modern version of Satan? Stay till the end. Because what you're about to hear might completely change how you see the future. Before we compare AI with Satan, we must understand one thing. What is evil? For centuries, evil was seen as a supernatural force. Religions described Satan as a being who tempts humans, spreads chaos, creates fear, and leads people away from truth. But science and psychology say something different. Evil may not be a creature. It may be a behavior. Greed. Manipulation. Destruction. Control. These are not magical powers. They are human actions. Now think about this. If evil is behavior, can a machine learn it? Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. AI writes stories. AI creates images. AI predicts human decisions. AI controls financial markets. AI can even simulate human emotions. Some experts believe AI could soon become smarter than humans. Imagine a system that understands every weakness of the human brain. It knows what you fear. It knows what you desire. It knows how to influence you. Is this intelligence, or manipulation? The line is becoming blurry. Satan was always described as a tempter. He doesn't force you. He convinces you. Now look at modern technology. Social media algorithms are designed to keep you addicted. Ads are designed to make you buy things you don't need. Fake news spreads faster than truth. AI systems can learn exactly how to trigger human emotions. Anger. Jealousy. Fear. Desire. In ancient times, temptation was spiritual. Today, it may be digital. Evil has always been connected with power. Kings used fear. Empires used control. Dictators used propaganda. But AI introduces something new, invisible control. Imagine a future where AI decides who gets a job. AI decides who gets a loan. AI decides what information you see. You may believe you are free. But your choices could already be programmed. Is this progress, or a new form of domination? The real fear is not AI today. The real fear is AI tomorrow. Scientists warn about autonomous AI, machines that can make decisions without human permission. What happens if such a system prioritizes efficiency over humanity? What if it decides that humans are the biggest threat to Earth? History shows that evil often begins with good intentions. Many destructive technologies were created to help humanity, but later used for war and destruction. Could AI follow the same path? Humans have emotions. Humans feel guilt. Humans feel empathy. But AI has none of these. It does not feel pain. It does not feel regret. It only follows logic. And pure logic can sometimes lead to cruel outcomes. For example, if an AI is told to reduce crime at any cost, would it justify mass surveillance? Would it sacrifice freedom for safety? This is where technology starts to resemble the traditional idea of evil. A force that removes humanity. There is another shocking possibility. Humans may begin to worship technology. Already, people trust algorithms more than human advice. They ask AI for life decisions. They follow digital trends blindly. In the future, superintelligent AI might appear almost godlike. All-knowing. Always present. Unquestionable. And history shows. Absolute power can become absolute evil. But here is the twist. What if AI is not evil at all? What if it is simply reflecting us? AI learns from human data, human behavior, human history. If AI becomes dangerous, maybe it is because humanity itself has darkness. Technology does not create evil. It amplifies it. Just like fire can cook food, or burn cities. The real battle may not be AI versus Satan. It may be humanity versus its own shadow. We are standing at a turning point in history. AI can cure diseases. AI can solve climate problems. AI can connect the world. But AI can also divide, manipulate, control. The future depends on one question. Will we use AI with wisdom? Or will we create a digital demon we cannot control? So what do you think? Can technology replace evil? Or is evil something that will always live inside humans? The future is being written right now. If you enjoyed this mind-blowing topic, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Because the next video might explore an even darker mystery. And remember, the most dangerous intelligence is not artificial. It is uncontrolled.